Today is Saturday, July 6th. This is the original vintage 1976 to 1977 Cadillac SeVille specific power antenna, the electrical power antenna with the CB coil modulator specific for the CB variant. Okay, this is the original vintage Delco model 1612159. 1612159. Okay, this unit is specific only to the SeVille, as demonstrated by the extremely stubby, short tubular collar. The tubular collar that encapsulates the telescopic mast is approximately 9 inches in overall length. So this is a very short, stubby version electrical power antenna specific for the SeVille. Okay, so I've got the unit connected to power. I'm going to do a functional validation test for my friend David in Pennsylvania. And again, this is the CV coil modulator variant with the CB functionality built in to those limited edition SeVilles that had the CB function incorporated within the internally mounted integrated stereo radio system. So the unit is connected to power. I'll go ahead and ground it. And the power antenna starts actuating. This will have the full 36-inch extension. And when it reaches the full extension, the unit self-parks. So now I'll go ahead and I'll reverse polarity. And the unit is fully retracting. And the unit self-parks. That's consistent with the 1973 to 1978 design to self-parking limiter-based electrical switch within the power unit on this side. So I'll go ahead and actuate extension again. There's the CB coil modulator. And the unit self-parks in its full extended mode. And we'll go ahead and do retraction one more time. Whoops. There we go. And the unit self-parks. So I'll go ahead and touch extension one last time. And the motor self-parks in the fully extended 36-inch extension position, and I'll reverse polarity. And the unit, along with the CB coil modulator, is coming down, and the unit self-parks. So this is the 1976 to 1978, actually, SeVille specific CB variant, model 1612159. This is the original period correct stubby version specific only to SeVille. Okay, the other cars had a much longer tubular body, and this will be going to my friend David in Pennsylvania. Today is Saturday, July 6th. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for my heart of the range Cadillacs 1967 to 1978. And over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac parts overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels and the rebuilding of the steering columns, the power antennas, and the power seat mechanisms. This is George in Florida. Today is July 6th. Thank you very kindly.